Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Tanusree here. Today I will share you natural everyday makeup for summer. Also I will explain in detail step by step. So let's start with the video. I done with my skincare, and do not forget about your skincare before doing any makeup. That will massively change your makeup look, and also you look so fresh. Before I start doing my makeup, using a primer that blurs out my pores. You can definitely see how my face look blurred immediate after using primer. Now I'm using only concealer. I'm not using any foundation today. So I'm just conceal under my dark circles, forehead, nose, under my chin and my cupid bones. That's all, and now I'm using a foundation brush and blend it out. After blending all my concealers left over on my brush, I'm just go through all over my face. Ta-da! This is how it looks. For everyday basis, I'm not going to contour my face. I directly use a blush. For blush, I'm using this Face Shop Lip and Cheek Tint. I'm warm it up and then I'm apply on my apple of my cheeks. So let's smile and apply. Wow, it looks amazing. Also around my nose a little bit, also on my chin. So do not forget to set all the makeup with a setting powder or a compact. I'm using this Fit Me compact powder. The same lip paint I'm using as a eyeshadow, taking a little and apply and blend all over my eyelid. Then you see the magic. When I was in a hurry or I have no time to apply any eyeshadow, I'm just using this trick and voila, it looks so natural. I feel sparse areas. You can see the difference already. Smooth lipstick can barely match with any eye look, any makeup. Do not forget to set your face. It instantly put glow on your skin and also make your makeup last longer. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon that you can definitely get notified whenever I post a new video, new content on my channel. Okay, now I'm signing off today. Take care. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Bye.